Well, it's a short day in court today with the defense wrapping up its case before noon in the case of Officer Caesar Goodson.
Closing arguments are expected on Monday morning. Brendan McNamara has more on what happened today in the courtroom.
One of the issues in the case is what was going on in Officer Goodson's head.
In a huge surprise Friday, the defense brought in Officer Edward Nero to help answer that, just weeks after being acquitted himself in Freddie Gray's arrest. On the stand, he described the arrest scene as hostile, Gray uncooperative, and even recalled Gray violently shaking in the van after being shackled by officers a few blocks away, painting a scene that Goodson could have found dangerous.
That goes to the reasonableness of his unwillingness to get in the van and buckle in Freddie Gray.
And legal experts say Nero's testimony also throws off the state's theory of Gray being hurt in a rough ride. Now witnesses have recalled Gray flailing in the van at stop 2 and 5 almost the entire trip.
If the state is going to argue that Officer Goodson had given Freddie Gray a rough ride, then the state has to prove when that rough ride occurred, and the state has to prove when Freddie Gray was injured.
And those different theories could create reasonable doubt for the defense.
They don't have to show what happened in the van. The point is that nobody really knows what happened in the van, and I think that is the point.
The state did score a win in getting the defense's first witness struck from the record. Detective Patty Bauer testified that Officer Goodson attended a vehicle safety class in 2013, and that safety class did not include instructions on seat belting prisoners. However, Bauer could not recall teaching that class. Legal experts also say the state has several key moments to rely on as the trial moves into closing arguments, including Officer Porter's statement that Goodson knew Freddie Gray should have gone to the hospital.
And that is certainly a critical moment in the case for them to establish that he was aware of the danger to Freddie Gray. So I think they will focus on that a great deal.
Before the defense rested, Officer Goodson opted to not take the stand in his own defense. Closing arguments are set for Monday morning at 10 a.m. In downtown Baltimore, Brendan McNamara, ABC 2 News.